Have you ever wondered what it would be like to live like a billionaire? Look no further than Mar-a-Lago, the lavish estate owned by former President Donald Trump. Mar-a-Lago is more than just a home. It's a private club where the rich and famous can go to relax and enjoy the finer things in life. But Mar-a-Lago wasn't always the exclusive beach club it is today. It has a long and fascinating history. In this video, we'll take a closer look at the history of Mar-a-Lago, from its construction as a winter estate for Marjorie Merriweather Post to its transformation to a private club under Donald Trump. So whether you're a fan of Donald Trump or not, you're sure to find the story of Mar-a-Lago to be fascinating. So join us as we take a tour of this opulent estate and learn about its rich history. Mar-a-Lago was initially constructed between 1924 and 1927 as a winter home for philanthropist and American serial heiress Marjorie Merriweather Post, who named it Mar-a-Lago, which means sea to lake. The house is situated on a barrier island that separates Lake Worth Lagoon from the Atlantic Ocean. How big is it? Well, it is a 114-room home. 18 acres of grounds and an exclusive beach club make up this property. The 58 bedrooms, 33 baths, and numerous other features such as a ballroom, a bowling alley, and a movie theater are all included in the mansion's Faux Hispano-Moresque design. In the 1920s and 1930s, Mar-a-Lago developed into a preferred gathering place for the affluent and privileged. Celebrities, politicians, and dignitaries all flocked to Post's house for its extravagant parties and festivities. Post left her house to the US government in her will so that the president might use it as a getaway during the warmer months. Though the Mar-a-Lago had been designated a National Historic Landmark the previous year, the government gave it back to the Post Foundation in 1981 due to its high annual maintenance cost of $1 million. This is where Donald Trump enters. The property reportedly rejected the mogul's first bid of $28 million for it. He persisted nevertheless, and the market fell. Trump ultimately paid $5 million for the property in 1985, which was a relative bargain, and an extra $3 million for Post's furnishings and antiquities. In 1995, Trump converted Mar-a-Lago into a private club and added a $7 million gold leaf-lined ballroom with 20,000 square feet of space. He took the coat of arms that the British government had given to Post's third husband, Joseph Edward Davies, in 1939 and changed the Latin term for integrity, integritas, to Trump. He also invested $100,000 in 4 sinks with gold plating. Gold is everywhere, just like in his Fifth Avenue mansion. Oof, what a way of rebranding the mansion. But that's not all. In an interview at a show-jumping event last 2014, he flexed his home by saying, "I have 24 acres in Palm Beach and nobody has anything like that. A big house is on 1 acre. I have 24. It's the great estate of Palm Beach." Well, if it were me, I would be flexing about that home too, especially if I spent millions on it. Trump renovated the inside of the mansion in a style that has been described as Louis XIV meets Palm Beach. The renovations included gliding and painting the ceilings and walls with ornate designs, adding marble floors and columns, installing crystal chandeliers and other expensive fixtures, replacing the furniture with lavish pieces in gold and red, and adding a ballroom, a spa, and a 12-lane bowling alley. He also added his personal touch to the property by displaying his collection of art and memorabilia, some of which is a painting of Napoleon Bonaparte by Jacques-Louis David, a portrait of George Washington by Gilbert Stuart, a statue of Winston Churchill by Sir Jacob Epstein, a Chinese vase from the Ming Dynasty, a French commode from the 18th century, and a Steinway grand piano that once belonged to John Lennon. It is displayed throughout Mar-a-Lago, including in the ballroom, dining room, living room, and library. The collection has been criticized by some art experts, who say that it's eclectic and lacks focus. Well, it's his home. Who are we to judge? But Trump did not only renovate the home, he also renovated the area and built the Mar-a-Lago Club. One of the things that it boasts is its golf club. Trump Golf in Mar-a-Lago is a private golf club that offers members and their guests access to 2 championship golf courses, practice facilities, and clubhouses. It features a par 72 championship layout that measures 7,100 yards from the back tees. The course was designed by Jim Fazio and opened in 1999. It features a variety of tee boxes to accommodate players of all skill levels, making it known for its challenging greens and undulating fairways. But above all, the course is also known for its beautiful scenery, which includes views of the Atlantic Ocean and Lake Worth. Another feature that Trump added to form the Mar-a-Lago Club is a 20,000 square foot spa that offers a variety of treatments, including massages, facials, body wraps, and hair and nail services. The spa also has a fitness center, sauna, and steam room. The Mar-a-Lago Spa tends to visitors by helping them choose a treatment and personalizing it to their wants and needs. The Mar-a-Lago Spa is a quiet retreat that offers an excellent escape from the daily grind, allowing you to pause and replenish your body and mind and spirit. Whether you're planning a full day of spa or just need a few hours to relax, then this is the perfect place for you. Not only that, you can have the most attractive look with the aid of the salon's many services. Pedicure rooms, as well as makeup and hair stations, are available in the salon, which is surrounded by marble. The salon offers top-notch services that are available to both men and women. But what makes it different from other clubs around the area, aside from the luxuriousness of course, is Trump allowed members who had been barred from other Palm Beach clubs, including Jews, African Americans, and gay couples, to join Mar-a-Lago. For the right to utilize the facilities, club members reportedly used to pay an initiation fee of $100,000, as well as $14,000 in annual fees, plus taxes, and $2,000 minimum for food each year. Trump's election caused the inauguration fee to increase to $200,000. By all accounts, it is a successful enterprise. In 2014, Trump earned $15.6 million from the club. He earned $25.1 million in his first year in government. That sum decreased a little to $21.4 million in the previous year. Trump's renovations to Mar-a-Lago has been controversial. Some people have praised him for improving the property and making it more attractive to guests. Others have criticized him for spending too much money on the estate and for making changes that compromises its historical integrity. But we can say that Marjorie's request of it being a winter White House came true with Trump. It has also been used as a campaign headquarters and post-election residence. The estate has also been the site of numerous controversies, including its alleged use as a storage facility for classified government documents. Despite its controversies, Mar-a-Lago remains a popular destination for the wealthy and powerful. It is a place where people can go to relax and enjoy the finer things in life. Thank you so much for watching this video about the history of Mar-a-Lago and Trump's renovations of it. If you enjoyed this video, please do give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos about luxurious lifestyles. Until then, take care.